Some days pass by unnoticed. Others define the rest of your life. This Sunday is not ordinary, it's not casual, it's a moment placed by God Himself to draw a line between who you were and who you will become. Everything you felt building, shifting, unraveling, it converges now. This Sunday will decide everything, and if you're awake, you won't miss it. And not all moments are created equal. There are appointed times, moments when heaven leans closer and your soul is called to choose, continue sleeping or awaken. This Sunday is one of those days. You'll feel it, heightened emotions, strange tension, an unexplainable need to pause. That's not coincidence. That's a sacred signal. God doesn't shout, He moves in timed alignment. This is a spiritual checkpoint, and what we pray for change, but we ignore the day it comes. God has heard your frustration, your silence, your whispered questions at night, but He doesn't always answer with words. Sometimes He answers with a day. This Sunday is that day, not to entertain you, not to stress you, or don't try to control this day. Try to receive. This Sunday, be silent before the world awakens. Be alone. Even for 5 minutes, reflect on where you've been resisting truth. The answer will come in a whisper, but it will shake you deeply. Let the old version of you end. Let the expectations fall away. Because what's waiting for you after this moment is not a new day. It's a new dimension of life. But to restructure you, a cycle will try to repeat. A pattern will try to hold you down. But this time, if you're present, you can break it. Forever, we'll remember this Sunday. Not because it looked different, but because something in you finally shifted. This is not a normal day. This is a spiritual choice point. And the future is shaped by this kind of silence. So don't ignore the pull. Don't explain away the signs. This Sunday, heaven will be watching, and your soul will be called to rise. Don't miss the moment, because this one decides everything you do with it will echo forward.